Welcome. If you're tired of seeing app icon badges appear every time Dropbox sends a file transfer notification, this quick guide will show you exactly how to turn them off. By the end of this video, your home screen will look a lot cleaner and you'll stay focused without those constant little alerts. Let's get started. First, open your phone settings. You don't need to open the Dropbox app, yet the change happens right inside your system settings. Once you're there, scroll through the list until you find apps and tap on it. Next, from your list of installed apps, locate Dropbox. You might have to scroll a bit depending on how many apps you have. Tap Dropbox to open its app settings. Once you're inside the Dropbox settings, look for notifications and give it a tap. This section controls every alert Dropbox can send on your device. You'll see different categories based on what kind of notifications the app uses. Now, tap on notification categories. This is where you can fine-tune which types of alerts you want to keep and which ones you'd rather turn off. Look for the category labeled File Transfer. This is the one responsible for the badges that pop up on your Dropbox icon whenever a transfer happens. Finally, toggle off the option for app icon badges. Once you do this, Dropbox will still handle file transfers in the background, but it will stop showing those little notification dots on your app icon. You'll still get any notifications you choose to keep active. You just won't have the badge clutter anymore, and that's it. You've successfully disabled app icon badges for file transfer notifications on Dropbox. It's a small tweak that makes a big difference in keeping your phone's home screen distraction-free and easier to manage. If this walkthrough helped you, consider checking out more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.